Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Phab 2 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, you will need one thing, which is the SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device. You can find it somewhere in the box, but if you can't, you can always use a paper clip, straighten out one of the edges, and it should work just fine. So from there, we want to pop out the tray, which is located on the left side of the device, so right about here, as you can see where the pin is holding. Push it in and you'll see that the tray pops out, and from here you have access to a SIM tray and SD tray, so you can place each accordingly. You can also place two different SIM cards if you wish to, instead of a SD card. So just drop that and you would place a SIM card, I believe, like so. Yep, there we go, as you can see. But I'm going to be using both of the slots, so there we go. So it would go like this. And once you have it all placed, you want to slide it back into the device, so while holding it securely so it doesn't fall out. There's nothing really holding it. You want to slide it back in there. There we go. And let's tap the power key, and there we go. So there's the pin for the SIM card, which means that SIM is working, and you also have a message for the SD card. So both of them are working just fine. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.